After the first hands-on video leak of the Galaxy S25 Ultra hit the web, revealing some exciting details like its sleek curved corners and revamped camera design, even more images have surfaced, giving us a closer look at the upcoming device. It's clear that this phone is shaping up to be a real stunner, and we got some fresh insights to share. Android Authority managed to get their hands on some new images from a Reddit user who claims to have gotten them from the original source, an account that has since been deleted. These images don't reveal too much that we didn't already know, but they do give us a better look at the display and a detailed view of the bottom of the device, where the S Pen is stored. One of the subtle but interesting updates is the design of the S Pen. This time around, it looks like the stylus has a slightly more curved head, and it's been moved just a tad toward the center of the device to better fit with the curved edges of the phone. It's a small change, but it's reassuring to see that, even though the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to be moving away from the classic Galaxy Note design, the iconic S Pen is still very much a part of the package. We can all breathe a sigh of relief on that front. In addition to the S Pen details, the images also show off the display in more detail, including some interesting UI changes. One standout feature is the new charging indicator from One UI 7, which adds a fresh touch to the user experience. We also get a glimpse at the curved radius of the display, which looks pretty smooth and visually appealing. As if that wasn't enough, we also get a peek at some screenshots from One UI 7, showcasing new icons, a refreshed camera app, and some tweaks to the quick settings UI that we've seen before. On top of all that, the images confirm the S25 Ultra's model number is MS938B, which is another solid clue that we're looking at the real deal. When we compare these latest images to the dummy units that leaked last week, it's safe to say the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be quite the device. The curved design is looking sleek, and overall, it seems like Samsung is stepping up its game. So, what do you think about those rounded corners on the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited, or do you have mixed feelings? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.